How to fix Snapchat focus mode not showing on your Android phone. First of all, open the Google Play Store, search for Snapchat and tap Update if an update is available. Then clear Snapchat's cache. Open Snapchat, go to your profile, then Settings, find Clear Cache and clear your cache. Then check if your device supports focus mode. Some older Android models don't get all Snapchat features, so research on it. The next step is restart your phone. Then open Snapchat again and check the camera screen for focus mode. If it's still missing, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat from the Play Store. If focus mode still doesn't appear, the feature may not yet be rolled out for your account or region. Wait for the next app update. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel to get more helpful tutorials.